Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to verify your Wix website on Google Search Console. This is an important step to monitor your site's performance and improve its visibility on search engines. Before we start, just know that we are not using a premium account, but we will still walk you through how to add your Wix website to Google Search Console. First, open a new tab and go to Google Search Console. Once we are there, click on Google Search Console and select Start. Here, you will need to choose between domain or URL prefix. Since we do not have a custom domain yet, we will use the URL prefix option. Let's use our website as an example. Go to your Wix website and open the editor so we can grab the URL. Here is the URL. This is our website's URL. We just need to copy it. Go back to Google Search Console, select the URL prefix option, and then paste the URL there. Next, click Continue to move on to verification. Now we can see the meta tag. All we need to do is add it to our Wix site. Let's copy the meta tag. We will verify using this meta tag. Once copied, go to your Wix Studio. Then open your settings. Under Settings, scroll down until you find the Custom Code section. This is where we will paste the meta tag. Now click the new tool and select Custom Code. As you can see, we cannot access the Custom Code option because we are on a regular Wix account without a premium subscription. But if you do have premium, simply paste the code and then click Verify so your website gets verified on Google Search Console. Now just wait for the verification. It may take a few minutes or even a few hours to verify your Wix website. Once verified, we can start tracking your website's performance and optimizing it for better results.